By the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a professional digital business card and a custom QR code that links directly to it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down and click on Create Your Landing Page. Step 2. You'll see two options, a business page and a contact card. A business page is for companies to showcase services, but for a digital business card, choose Contact Card. Select any of the three templates and we will fully customize it. Before we fill in any details, I want to show you something important. This tool has a dedicated design tab that lets you completely control the look, colors, and styling of your digital card, so you'll be able to make it look exactly how you want. But first, let's add the actual information. Step 3, the Content tab. We'll begin in the Profile section. Here, you can upload your profile photo or your company logo and enter your full name, job title, company name, and a short description. You can toggle off any of the settings you don't want to show. Everything updates instantly on the phone preview on the right, so you always know exactly how it will look. Next, open the Contact Us section. Here you can add your phone number, WhatsApp, email, website, and even your office address. Each item has label and value options, so you can choose whether to show or hide things like "call me" or the actual number. If you want to showcase your work, products, or portfolio, the Images section lets you upload photos in different layouts. Finally, you can add your social media profiles. Just turn on the platforms you use and enter your username or the exact URL. Step 4. Design tab. Now that your information is ready, let's go to the Design tab. This is where the card really comes to life. Here you can customize the background in 3 different styles. 1. Image only. If you want a full screen background image, choose the Image Only tab and upload your image. 2. Color only. If you prefer a clean, single color design, turn this off, so your card will use only the primary background color. 3. Image plus color combination. If you turn it on, the top section uses your image while the lower section uses your chosen color. This gives a modern split layout. Next, style your name, tagline, and description. Here you can change text colors, enable bold or italics, and even adjust the size of your profile photo. This section lets you customize the look of your contact buttons, the background container, icon colors, and text colors. If your card includes images, you can style the image titles here: color, font size, and text style. Lastly, you can adjust how your social media icons look by changing the icon size, font size, and container background. Step 5. Save your digital business card. Once your design is complete, simply click Save Page and name it, as this will be very useful when linking it to the QR code. Click on this button. We will create a simple QR code and an image QR code with a photo or logo. Let's start with the image QR code. Click on Design Assistant. Upload your image. This can be your profile photo or your company logo. You can crop it directly here, then click Apply. Give it a few seconds to generate. Once it loads, you'll see several QR code designs. Click on the one you like, and you can still customize it further. Colors, frames, styles, and more. If you prefer a normal QR code, just click Remove Image and then Reset Style. That clears everything and gives you a clean, standard QR code. Once your QR design is ready, click on the Landing Page tab. Click this button, select your landing page, and then click Generate. Let's scan it to make sure everything works. Perfect!